October 19, 2021, Sunday. Good morning. This is Mary Jane Entero taking up the degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education at Cebu Technological University of San Fernando Extension Campus. And you are watching MJA Daily Newscast live at South Poblacion, San Fernando, Cebu. Today, let's define science, technology, and society and explain the relationship between science, technology, and society. Based on my analytical about science and basing what I read in the different articles, science is the study of the nature and behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. Meaning, every step that we are doing by using things that have reaction or changing, like for example, in a piece of an ice, as we observe that ice comes from liquid and turn into a solid, so there is end reaction. That's why we called it science. Technology is a science or knowledge put into practical use to solve problems or invent useful tools. For example of technology is the internet, which has made up-to-date information available to anyone around the world to access in any matter of moment and provide quickly and real-time information about events or whatever we wanted to. And so, society is a group of people living as community. How could affect it in ourselves? It is very important to us to communicate in our society because as a millennial today, there is a lot of changes in our community and it depends on how you join yourself in that community or society because as a human, we must adapt the behavior in that particular society. But this will, your own will, because we are in the democratic country, we have the right to choose what kind of society to deal with. Therefore, science is the intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. Things such as the study of the chemistry, computer science, biology, and many more things relate to science. While technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. So in a way, these two aspects go together because through scientific and technological development, we gain new advancements. We have already gotten some through the smartphones, computers, and other devices that we take for granted nowadays. If it weren't for science and technology, we would still live in the Stone Age in terms of our advancements. Society is connected to these two because, as mentioned before, we, the human beings, are the ones who benefit from this new discoveries. By extension, technology and science go together because it helps to advance our very own society and make it even better. Better for you, for me, and for everyone else in the world, and for the ones who will take over the generation eventually. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Mary Jane Entero with MJA Daily Newscast for the latest news and updates.